Hi, I'm Tada of まだ使えるで. まだ使えるで is Japanese, meaning you can still use it. So let's repair it yourself and save money, energy, and resources. Today, I'm gonna show you my experience of cooking acorns. The motivation behind it is actually I'm worried about the food crisis. Not only because of the Ukraine, the war, Russia and Ukraine war are causing the wheat shortage, but also the all the price increase due to the stagflation. So I thought it may be a good idea to find out any possible way to get the emergency food, and the acorns is around at least in California you can find many trees, oak trees that actually produces acorns. So this is what I experienced and I'm gonna share with you. So these are the acorns I picked near in the neighborhood. I believe these are from the coast live oak. I think that grows around here in the south coast or central coast area. I just picked some of them. I didn't pick too much because I'm not sure if that's tasty or not. This is the first trial. So first thing I'm gonna do is put this in water and see that the the floating one and remove the floating one, because the floating one, that means you don't really have the nuts inside, or you might have bug inside. That's what I'm gonna do first. Okay, obviously we have some, though these are floating, and as you can see, this guy has a hole, so that's a sign for the bug. I'm gonna throw this away. This one, and this one. All the others looks fine. So I'm gonna rinse it a little bit. I got another one floating. So I rinsed them a little bit, a couple of times. And now I'm gonna peel the acorns and get the nuts inside of it. Oh, it already has a hole. It's inside if you have a hole. If you have a hole, it's all eaten. That looks beautiful. I don't know if it's better to remove this skin or not. Chestnut I usually remove skin, but the almonds we have skin. I think we can remove it. I think I'm gonna remove it. I think we're gonna boil this anyway, so while it's boiling, I think skin might be gone. So yeah, change this sauce of it. Oh, I always cut half. Oh, there's a bug inside. So it's more than halfway down. I kind of established how to peel it. So the first chop off the bottom. Or if you see this black thing, it's a sign of bug. Probably bug around. So yeah, I'm gonna throw it away. I hope this gets done. Okay, this is kind of clear. And then stand it and cut a part of skin, hard shell, and then you can remove it like this. And then you still have the inner skin, and this guy has some like a line, dark line always. So I'm gonna just put the blade along this and then split. Usually split into two or more than that. Yeah, it's even really split clear, but then you can even remove this soft skin with your nail. And then I decided to put this guy in water. I have to boil these guys many times to remove the tannin in it. Okay, I finished peeling off the acorns. So they still have these skin, but the next step will be just boiling and remove the tannins in it. So hopefully during that process we're gonna remove more of these the soft skins. Okay, let's move on to the next step. Okay, it's not boiling yet, but the water temperature is getting hot, the hotter, and the color of the water turns brown, and that's tannin. So we have to boil. Oh, I also see that skins are floating, and that's what I expected. So I'm gonna boil this off, and then first I'm gonna remove the skin. I think I can start doing that now. So I'm gonna wait until it boils off and then replace the water, the hot water, dump the hot water, and then repeat this until the water doesn't really get the brown color. So this is the acorn after rinsing, and since it's boiled so long, I don't know. I think this should be so soft. I'll try to eat it. I'll try this piece. Oh, it's still a little bit bitter. Yeah, a little bit bitter. Not too bad though. A little bit bitter. This bitterness might be a a little bit bitter. I don't know. Maybe I should continue a little bit more. So this is 10th time, and I think I'm gonna turn off the gas and then leave this in hot water for a while, and so that the tannin gonna just seep out even without the gas. So I left the water overnight, and I'm gonna dump the water, and I think I'm gonna finish this process this time, and I'm just gonna rinse the nuts inside and dry it. I'm gonna dry this for about half day because I have to work there. It's Monday. I was supposed to finish it yesterday, but they didn't finish. So I'm gonna leave this for a while, and then tonight I will roast it. So I left this for about half day, and it's turned really brownish. I think these are still tannins, and actually if I pick small piece like this, it's not really that bitter. Yeah, but I tried a little bit larger piece, and that was still a little bit bitter. But anyways, I'm gonna make this salty and roast it. So I'm gonna put salt and peppers. I would say 350, and some recipes said they roast for 15 minutes. So now it's preheated, so I'm gonna wait. Okay, oven is preheated, so I'm gonna put this in it. And timer 15 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for 15 minutes and see what happens. Okay. Alright, let's open the oven and see what's going on. It actually smells good, but let's taste it a little bit. It's still a little bit soft, but I think it's okay. I think I'm gonna finish it here. And this is my first time. When I was doing this, I think I learned a little bit more about how to remove the tannin out of acorns. Rather than repeating the boiling many times, I think it will be better to leave the acorn in the boiled water for a while, or even without the fire. Just leave it overnight. Really helped, and so I think that might be better way and save energy by just turning off the gas and just soak it in the hot water for one night, and then you repeat that couple of times. So it takes very long time actually to remove the tannin, but except for that, I think we can eat acorns, and this is more like the practice for the emergency situation. So I think I'm gonna stop this video here, but I may try one more time of cooking acorns with better way. Right, thank you very much for watching. Bye.